PKK and terrorists in Turkey bombed 1 million, killed 9, bombed another one in Istanbul, killed 17. Just don't know what they're going to kill. Terrorists are radicalized, completely or indelibly radicalized. Want to kill a pig, want to state my live by Sharia's law. It's not going to happen. There are too many freedom warriors. Too many freedom people want freedom. Too many people want freedom. They're willing to die for it. Willing to die for it. Shame. Really is a damn shame. Killed 35 people. 35 people, 2 bombs. Sadness people. Really is disgusting. Really is totally disgusting. Sad to see. They killed 9 people in Turkey, 17 people in Istanbul, 25 people killed, 25 innocent people killed, 25 innocent people killed. This is sad to see. Just innocent people are being killed now. Orlando, Paris. The list goes on. The list goes on. Just can't stop it. Just can't seem to stop it. They have to keep fighting it all. They have to keep fighting it all. It's fighting the PKK. They're war for decades. War for decades. Sad to see. Really is. Some big historic was. I can watch them.